welcome back once again to another interesting video. Welcome back, future crypto millionaires. Hope your day is going great. So we actually had a crazy day as of yesterday because the Fed cut the federal rate by 25 basic points of 0.25% to a target range of around 4.00% to 4.25%, and that is the first rate cut since December 2024. And not only that, guys, we also have a market pump on the announcement as well, but it is due to sentiment and speculation expecting liquidity inflow into various cryptocurrency. And ever since yesterday, I think the cryptos of which we should pay attention to right now are the major cryptocurrency like Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Solana, Cardano, and some other major cryptocurrency in this space. So right now, the overall crypto market cap is currently sitting at over $4 trillion market cap, of which we are up 1.11% in the last 24 hours. The fear greed index states that we are currently in a neutral condition around 51%, of which you can see right here, and the altcoin season index states that we are currently experiencing 71% of the altcoin season, which is not accurate, because if you have to check out the BTC dominant or the multi time frame, you notice that we are currently at 57%, of which you can see right here, and the RXI as well shows that we are currently in a neutral condition, because the RXI of the BTC dominant shows that we are currently at 52%, of which you can see right here. So if it happens to increase from the zone of 50, if it happens to increase from the zone of 50 upward, we are likely to go more bearish on altcoins and meme coins, which will also give us a good entering opportunity into any cryptos of our choice. Or if it happens to drop below the zone of 50 to around 40 to 30, that is when we'll be entering the full altcoin season, and that is when it will be safe for we to sell our asset to exit the market. So the decision is yours to make. Anything I say here, please, should not be taken as financial advice. Do your own deep research before investing. Invest wisely, always with the amount you can afford to lose. So right now, guys, this states clearly that we are not yet experiencing the full altcoin season. When we'll be experiencing the full altcoin season is as of when the BTC dominant has dropped below from the zone of around 50 to around 40. That's when we'll be entering the full altcoin season. So this is the right time for you to load up your bag and hold tight as we are about entering the full altcoin season, because with the look of things, if you have to check out the previous performance of the dominance, you notice that each time we had this dominant correction, we always experience the full altcoin season. 2021, we also had that same dominance correction, of which we experienced the full altcoin season. And if you have to look at the chart of, if you have to look at the dominance chart of 2025, you notice that we are now having that same performance. We are now having this gradual correction, which brings us to the zone of around 57%, of which you can see right here. So very quickly, let's look at Toshi real quick. So we are looking at Toshi on coin market cap. So the time of making this video, we are currently down 12.02% in the last 24 hours, which gives us a price of 0.0009126, and market cap currently at over $383 million market cap, considered as an undervalued market cap. So if you are to position yourself into the blue cat, into Toshi meme coin, I think this is the right time for we to do so. Having a small investment capital, we can actually purchase a large quantity of this project. Now when the market cap have raised over $500 million market cap, by then the project is already high by then, guys. So if you have to pay attention to the trading volume of which we have gotten so far, it's over $458 million. As of yesterday, we went as high as $600 million trading volume, which is massive for this project. So the trading volume is currently up 52.46% in the last 24 hours, which is a massive welcome development for all the holders of this project. Talking about the number of holders of Toshi meme coin, it's looking so insane, guys. So as of yesterday, we got the number of holders of around 880,000 persons, and currently today you can see that it has increased over 882,000 persons, of which you can see right here holding this project, traders interested in this project, which is massive. So Toshi meme coin is still an undervalued project, but it has gotten this high number of holders. Talk more of when we'll be hitting the cap of around 1 billion upward, guys. That will be massive for this project. Toshi meme coin is one of the projects you shouldn't miss out adding to your portfolio for 2025 full altcoin season, which you're about entering, guys, because those who are going to miss out this project are going to regret it. So Toshi is available on some major popular cryptocurrency exchange, but is yet to be listed on Binance exchange. We have had multiple exchange listings which skyrocketed market, the price of Toshi. Now if you're looking at the chart of Toshi meme coin, you notice that we are looking super bullish, which is a massive welcome movement for those who took the trade early into this project. Because as of yesterday, if you are to look closely, you notice that we got this sharp rally of price to the upside, which took out the zone of around 0.0011 of which you are seeing right here before we had a correction to this current liquidation price point area of in between the zone of 0.00097 and the zone of 0.00087 of which you are seeing right here. So we should look out for this zone because this is likely to serve as an accumulation zone for the price of the asset, and from here we should even expect a further massive push of price to the upside soon, guys. So the price of Toshi, with the look of things, is currently consolidating in between the zone, in between these two zones of which you can confirm right here. So a big congratulations to those who took the trade from around the zone of 0.00060 yesterday, for they went as high as 90% profit as of yesterday before the correction took place to this current zone which we are currently experiencing right here. So if you are to check out the 1 hour time frame of Toshi meme coin chart, you notice that we are now forming this bullish pin-out of which you can see right here. Because if you have to look closely, you notice that we are forming on higher lows and higher highs right now, and from here we should expect a break of price to the upside soon, guys. Now the RXI indicator shows that we are currently at 55% of which you can see right here on the 1 hour time frame. So let's check out the 4 hour time frame real quick. So the 4 hour time frame shows that we are currently at 70% of which you can see right here, which states that we are strongly bullish but not in the overbought zone of which you can see right here. The MACD indicator MACD line is crossed above the signal line, indicating that we should even expect a further push of price to the upside for this project. So what's your take about Toshi meme coin? That will be all for now, guys. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video, and do have a lovely day.